Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. Our host is Anna from Grace Life DIY, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. And it is freestyle. I've decided to do a blue and white and pink with a little bit of lavender. I've used hydrangeas, pansies, and a crystal vase. And this etched hummingbird wine glass. And then the setting for today is this little saucer with blue forget-me-not flowers. And this blue stoneware plate with etched flowers and little butterflies on it. And with this really pretty white charger. I just recently ordered that from Amazon. And the tea for today is this botanical cold water infusion, blackberry, raspberry, hibiscus. This is very good. And a close-up here of my hummingbird wine glass. I've had that for years. I think it's beautiful. And then I have my Japanese teapot. I brought it out because it's mainly blue. And I have this little ginger jar that I keep sweeteners in. Again, because it's blue. I love the etching on it. With the little matching teacups. My little wooden bird, and my crystal candle holder with pink spiral candles. And I had recently baked chocolate chip muffins. Everybody loved them. And my napkin, a blue napkin with my fork, and my forget-me-not cup that I inherited from my grandmother. I think that is so pretty. And a wine goblet. That was from Amazon. Now here is a picture that I inherited from my mother. Again, that is that depression glass. A very soft pink. I think it is so lovely. And here is that candy dish that I've showcased before. Again, depression glass that I inherited from my mother. I think it is so pretty. I just have to get some candy to put in it. And I have a white lace runner down the middle of the table, which made it very pretty. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Be sure to check out all the other participants in this collaboration. And a special thanks to Anna, Deborah, and Courtney. Bye-bye for now.